The global economic outlook is what's called a Goldilocks economy at the moment, and the economic growth is not too hot and not too cold. The good news is that global economic growth is doing quite well. We're enjoying a synchronized recovery. We're seeing growth pick up, particularly outside the US. So emerging markets are doing better, Japan's doing better, and the Eurozone in particular is doing very well at the moment. UK is not really shared in that so much because we think the uncertainty from Brexit is weighing on decisions about spending, so that's holding things back a bit. The other side of the Goldilocks economy, of course, is that inflation is quite well contained, particularly in the US, where inflation has tended to surprise on the downside. That's important for markets because it means that interest rates won't have to rise as much, perhaps, as people had thought earlier in the year. So combining that outlook with a Goldilocks economy with the fall in political risk means that the environment for risk assets is pretty good.